viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be solving this particular question on GP. But before I start with that, I want you guys to please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do, so as to be part of this channel and turn on the bell notification to get updates about my coming videos. Remember that my last class is actually based on concept of GP, where I illustrate an example on how to find the nth term of GP and explanation on how to get the formula for the nth term of GP. But today, let's solve this particular question on GP. Now, please pay attention closely to this particular. I'm going to solve this particular question. Now, we are given y plus 2, y plus 6, and y plus 14 to be consecutive terms of a GP. Now, consecutive terms simply means that they follow a kind of a trend in between. So for us to find the value of y in this kind of expression, let me bring the expression out here. Y plus 2, y plus 6, and y plus 14. Now you simply follow what we refer to as the common ratio law here. Now common ratio law, let me give a simple illustration on that. Let us assume we are given 2, 4, and 8. And the question says find the common ratio. Common ratio is simply saying this is the first term, the second term. So it's going to be second term all over the first term, also going to be equals to the third term here, which is 8, all over the second term, which is 4. If you divide these two of them will give you what? 2. Right, so we are going to follow this simple expression here. So that means this represents the 2 over here, this represents the 4 over here, and this represents the what? 8. So we simply say y plus 6 all over y plus 2, which is this all over this, must be equals to y plus 14 all over y plus what? 6. So if you have expression like this, what do we do in mathematics? We simply cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have y plus 6 in one bracket, y plus 6 again in the other bracket, then equals to y plus 2 in one bracket, and also y plus what? 14 in the other bracket. So look at, so what do we do next? We simply open the bracket. Y multiplied by y, we have y squared. Y multiplied by 6, we have 6y. 6 times y will give 6y. Then 6 times this will give what? 36. Then is equals to, same thing here, y times y give what? Y squared. Y times 14 gives what? 14y. 2 times y gives what? 2y. Then 2 times 14 gives what? 28. Right? So the next thing we do here is that we simply collect like time. So this is going to be y squared. 6y plus 6y gives what? 12y, right? Plus 36 equals to y squared plus what? 16y plus what? 28. So if you if you collect like times again, of course this and this eliminates out. So we are left with what? 12y minus 16y equals to 28 minus 36, right? So 12y minus 16y will give minus 4y is equals to minus what? 8, right? So minus eliminate minus. To get y, we simply divide also by 4. So therefore y is equals to what? 2. So since you have gotten y to be equal to 2, that's the first thing here. The question now says, hence find the what? The GP. Now the GP is actually very simple. Let me just do that here. So let me do that here. Sorry. Let me just do it here because it's at the front of this particular expression. So let me do that here. So the GP simply becomes, since y is equals to what? 2. So if I replace 2 here, this becomes 2 plus 2, 2 plus 6, and 2 plus what? 14. Hope you understand that. So I'm replacing the value of y in this expression. So I'm going to have 4, 8, and 16 as my expression. So this also simply equals to 4, 8, 16. Still the same. You understand what I'm saying? So now we have gotten the GP. Now the second question says you find for the second term of the GP. Now how do you find it for the second term of the GP? Remember that I said in the first video of GP, I said when you actually getting the nth term of a particular GP, for example, we are given third term. So third term simply means a raised to power 2. That means you reduce that power by 1. So the same thing here. So for the second term simply means t for the second is equals to a raised to power 41. So from this expression over here, I can easily say my a, which is value of a, is equals to 4. Then ratio is equals to 8 divided by 4. That will give us what? 2. So you can see we have gotten both value of a and how. So we simply replace in this word expression here. So if I replace in this expression here, I'm going to have t42 equals to, remember that I say is a raised to power 41. So if I replace the 2 here, I'm going to have, what is a? A is 4, right? Times, what is r? R is what? 2. raised to power 41. But if you follow this instruction clearly, the question says leave your answer in index form. So we are not advised to express this back in calculator. We leave it in form of what? Indices. So this simply means 2 raised to power 2 for this times 2 raised to power 41. Now in indices, when you have multiplication, what do? We simply bring, and you have the same base. Simply bring the base out, then we say 2 plus what? 41, because the multiplication changed to what? Addition. Now we have 2 raised to power 43, which is our final answer. So if you have any question on this particular solving, please kindly leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get updates on my coming video. And don't also forget to like this video. Bye for now. We'll see you guys in my next class.